discuss uh, most important formulas of Excel. We look up HLOOKUP, or next one is index match. But from now, I try to share all the information in Hindi. तो आज हम तीन फॉर्मूले एक्सेल के सीखने वाले हैं. पहला है VLOOKUP, दूसरा है HLOOKUP, तीसरा है इंडेक्स मैच. सो दीज थ्री फॉर्मूलेज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन एक्सेल. आप कहीं पे भी जाएंगे, किधर भी जाएंगे, वहाँ पे भी आपको ये तीन फॉर्मूले आपको यूज करने पड़ेंगे. बट वट इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर वन इज VLOOKUP. But VLOOKUP has many drawbacks. HLOOKUP also has, and index match, sometimes index match also has drawbacks, but it is most useful as compared to two others. Now fourth one is comes is XLOOKUP, but it is only usable in Microsoft 365. So now today we will discuss only these three formulas VLOOKUP. Firstly, we will discuss VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP, कभी भी VLOOKUP means first one is V for V indicate for the vertical. सो यहाँ पे जो भी आपको डेटा मिलेगा वो आपको वर्टिकल में आपके पास डेटा रहेगा, वर्टिकल यहाँ पे आपके पास डेटा रहेगा हमेशा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड चलते रहेंगे. तो VLOOKUP लगाने का सबसे बेस्ट फॉर्मूला है, आपके पास कोई भी डेटा यूनिक होना चाहिए. लेकिन एक चीज का ध्यान रखना, आप वही डेटा आप निकाल पाओगे जो यूनिक डेटा के हमेशा राइट हैंड साइड में होगा. कभी भी VLOOKUP के आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का डेटा नहीं एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते. सो फर्स्ट वन इज VLOOKUP. Value is this one. Now our data is here, so we just find, we select all, okay, comma. Now what we want in first one, we want a brand. So in brand comes second. Okay, so we just select second, just enter this one. Okay, we got the answer, but the condition is this, we have to fix the range. So for the fixing the range, we can use F4 or shift 4. So we just use F4, and for this one we can use only 4. Okay, now let's copy the formula. Okay, we got this one, but when we copy here, what we get only Sony. So in VLOOKUP, every time we have to change our last lookup range. Okay, lookup value. So like where in first one we select only 2, so we have to select 3, so we get the answer. Now we have to change as per the range 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 9, 10, then 11. Like I already know, this series comes one by after next one. That's why the here is 1, 2, 3, and all the things. Now just copy all the data is here, so we get the answer. Let's check one this one. Okay, now let's check our answer is same or not. Yes, same. So here we look up works, but every time you see, we just change our range number, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now let's end this one. Okay, so if we make another and we tell another formula, so maybe video's length become video length is big, become big. So now we will discuss further HLOOKUP and index match. And I tell you what is the best thing of the HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP and index match. Thank you so much, my dear